A recession is undoubtedly a time of high crisis, and you'd think that everything will slowly start crumbling. Well, that is not true in most cases. And by most cases we mean businesses. Did you know, technically, a recession is defined when there are 2 consecutive quarters of negative GDP, gross domestic product, or a decline in economic activity. We can all agree that during a recession, most businesses are affected, and some are impacted more than others, like non-essential, luxury goods and tourism to name a few. When people have limited disposable income, they tend to spend less on luxury goods and entertainment and restrict their spending to essentials and avoid major purchases. But there are many businesses that thrive during a recession. Many kinds of businesses remain immune to the effects of a recession. So here we take a look at 10 businesses that are recession-proof or face medium to low impact during a recession. Number 1. Discount stores. In a period of crisis or a recession, the public usually visit outlets to buy in bulk and at discounted rates to save their money. TJ Maxx US, TK Maxx UK, and Dollar Tree grew tremendously during the 2008-2009 recession period, and this is the case with many discount stores during times when people have to be more savvy with their money. Number 2. Education e-learning. Since learning and education are an ongoing process, the teaching and tutoring business won't be affected severely by a recession. In fact, it is often noticed that people go back to universities, get higher education and develop new skill sets at the time of a recession. Online courses and sites where people can learn additional skills, like Udemy, are sure to see an increase in traffic. Number 3. Social media businesses. During the time of recession, social media businesses like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube will thrive the most as people feel the need to share all kinds of content with each other. This mostly ranges from news and knowledge to entertainment, and now with lockdowns and social distancing in place, usage on these types of platforms will have skyrocketed. Number 4. Online marketing. Those who run online marketing businesses profit the most from the recession period, as many companies around the world tear down on their traditional marketing campaigns and budgets. They look for most cost-effective ways to reach their audience and are willing to try out cheaper alternatives. Number 5. Insurance. In a recession, people are scared of losing jobs, and so they get insurance to be secured. Insurance businesses give people a sense of security in uncertain times. Number 6. E-commerce stores. While most physical stores struggle to keep selling various commodities during the recession, an online selling business can excel, as it's an inexpensive alternative to bricks and mortar stores. E-commerce stores such as Amazon, eBay, Shock and some Shopify stores will thrive during these conditions. Number 7. Home security and alarm systems. As crime rates tend to increase during a recession, people are more inclined to take additional security measures to protect their properties and belongings. Due to fear of break-ins, people upgrade their home security and alarm systems. Number 8. Freelancers. Freelancer work for various local and international businesses are in demand more than ever during economic crises because businesses look for an inexpensive alternative to hiring new employees. These people are usually self-employed and are hired on a temporary contract basis. Number 9. Video conferencing and collaborative apps. Given the current situation, most companies are making their workforce remote. With more people encouraged to work from home, employees are using video conferencing solutions such as Zoom, Skype and collaborative tools such as Microsoft Teams and Slack to carry out daily tasks and conduct meetings. Number 10. Debt-related and repossession services. Services like these are in demand more than ever in a recession. A debt counseling business or debt collection and repossession services will thrive because of people's inability to keep up with loan, credit card and mortgage payments consistently during times of crisis. So if you are an entrepreneur and thinking of investing in any of these businesses, or even starting one yourself in 2020, you are definitely making a wise decision. Be sure to look out for part 2 of 10 businesses that will thrive during a recession. Thank you for watching. And remember to like and subscribe if you got some value.